My name is Aaliyah Glover and I'm part of the Teen Center. I've been a member for the Teen Center for 10 years. What I've learned at the Boys and Girls Club is self-discipline, to have a strong mentality, and commitment. My role model is my mom. My mom helps me stay focused in school and she helps keep me on the right track. She makes sure that I am where I need to be in order to get where I want to be. Even with 4 kids, she still manages to give us individual time and show us that she loves us. I attend Stevens High School. I've been able to make friends with the swim team and be a part of a family I initially didn't think I would be a part of. For me, the club experience is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. The club has taught me to be a part of a community where I feel I belong and has even given me the chance to pursue swimming. My friends would say that I am an independent, motivated, and shy person. I have learned to have a strong mentality, to not give up, and to push through hardships. Even the smallest action has the biggest impact on a person in the community.